Hey everyone, welcome to Sam Trading Strategies. Are you searching for an easy but highly accurate strategy for binary options trading? You've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful binary options strategy for pocket option that I personally use regularly. This strategy is beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and proven to boost your trading accuracy. For this strategy, we'll use three indicators: Zig Zag indicator, Keltner Channel indicator, Stochastic Oscillator indicator. I'll clearly explain the exact settings for these indicators later in this video, so make sure to watch until the very end and don't skip any part. But first, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a strategy update. Risk warning: binary options trading involves risk, and there's always a possibility of losing your money. Past results don't guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Do your own research before placing any trade. Now let's understand the trading rules for this strategy. Buy trade rules. Price is near the bottom line of the Keltner channel and below middle line. Zig Zag indicator touches below the candlestick. Stochastic oscillator is in the oversold area below the 20 level. You see a clear bullish candle confirming an upward move. When these conditions match, it's a great opportunity for a buy trade. Sell trade rules. Price is near the top line of the Keltner channel and above middle line. Zig Zag indicator touches above the candlestick. Stochastic oscillator is in the overbought area above the 80 level. You see a clear bearish candle confirming a downward move. This scenario signals a strong opportunity for a sell trade. For this strategy, set your candle time frame to 30 seconds and choose an expiry of 1 minute and 30 seconds. Important note: this strategy is specifically designed for OTC markets and performs best in a zigzag or sideways market condition. It is not recommended for strong trending markets. Always respect the market trend and avoid trading against it. Before using this strategy in a real account, practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand how it works and gain confidence before investing real money. Remember to check the description below for more details and settings about today's strategy. Now, let's get into live trading. I'll demonstrate exactly how I use this strategy step by step. Stay with me. I'll explain clearly why I enter each trade and how you can easily do the same. Don't skip forward, as every tip matters to help you succeed. Ready? Let's jump into the trades and start making profits. According to our trading rules, this is an ideal sell trade setup. Here's why. Price was near the top line of the Keltner channel and above the middle line. The Zig Zag indicator was above the candle and touching it. The stochastic oscillator was clearly in the overbought area, above the 80 level. We had strong confirmation from a clear bearish candle. Again, always avoid taking trades when the price is close to the middle line of the Keltner channel. The middle line of the Keltner channel acts as a strong support level. As you can see on the chart, the price has reversed multiple times after touching this level. Taking a sell trade near the middle line can be risky because the price often bounces back from there. That's why we wait for the price to be near the top line of the Keltner channel for a stronger sell signal. As you can see, the price moved exactly as we expected, and the trade was successful. This is how you can use this strategy to make consistent profits in the OTC market. Now let's move to our next live example. Stay tuned, watch carefully, because the more examples you see, the better you'll become at spotting these setups in real-time trading. All right, friends, we've entered our buy trade following all our strategy rules perfectly. Just to remind you why this trade was perfect, price was near the bottom line of the Keltner channel. Price was below the middle line. The Zig Zag indicator was below and touching the candle. The stochastic oscillator was clearly in the oversold area below 20. Most importantly, we've received confirmation from two bullish candles, a strong signal for a buy trade. Now, let's see how this trade plays out. Will it end in profit? Let's wait for the result. We have won this trade. This is a perfect example of how following the strategy correctly can lead to successful trades. Now, let's go over the exact settings for the three indicators so you can apply them correctly in your own trading. Zig Zag indicator. Use the default settings. No need to change anything. Keltner channel. Set the multiplier to 2. Keep the EMA period and ATR period at default. Stochastic Oscillator. Use the default settings as well. All right. Now that we know the correct settings, let's jump into the next live trade. Friends, according to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup because the price is near the top line of the Keltner Channel and above the middle line. The Zig Zag indicator is above the candle and has touched it. The stochastic oscillator is in the overbought zone, above 80 level. Most importantly, we have a bearish candle confirmation, which signals a strong selling opportunity. Now, let's wait and see if this trade ends in profit. We lost this trade. But that's completely normal in trading. Wins and losses are both part of the game. Even when we follow all the rules correctly, sometimes the market behaves unpredictably. This is why staying calm and patient is so important. But don't worry. We have a smart approach for situations like this. Instead of getting discouraged, we analyze the market and adapt. Now, we will take another sell trade on the same chart, but this time, we will wait for the confirmation of 2 strong bearish candles before entering. We have now identified another perfect sell trade setup based on our strategy. Let's break it down step by step. The price is near the top line of the Keltner Channel and above the middle line. The Zig Zag indicator is positioned above the candle and has touched it. The stochastic oscillator is in the overbought zone, above 80 level, signaling a potential price drop. Most importantly, we now have confirmation from 2 strong bearish candles, which makes this trade even more reliable. Now, let's patiently wait and see how this trade plays out. Remember, in trading, patience and discipline are key. And yes, we have won this trade. This is the power of following a strategy with the right confirmations. Our patience and discipline paid off. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you've gained valuable insights from this strategy. If anything is unclear, go back and re-watch the explanation of the perfect setup. Understanding every detail is crucial for success. Open your trading platform, apply the indicators with the correct settings, and start practicing on a demo account. Consistency is key in trading. Stick to the strategy and don't let emotions take over. If you found this video helpful, here's how you can show your support. Subscribe to the channel. Stay updated with more profitable strategies, live trades, and market insights. Like this video. Your likes help the video reach more traders who can benefit from this strategy. Share with others. If you know other traders who might find this strategy useful, share it with them. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow. Together, we can create a community of informed and successful traders. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts and helping you improve your trading skills. Stay tuned for more powerful trading strategies in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy trading.